excuse me, in cause number 2018-0D01605, State of Texas versus Sergio Machado. Announcement of council, please.
Teller Ortega for the state. State is ready.
Your Honor, good morning. Ray Velarde on behalf of Mr. Machado.
Okay, it looks like someone is wanting to modify the terms and conditions of probation.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is that your request or the state's request, Mr. Velarde?
This is the defendant's request.
Okay, let me hear from you then.
Your Honor, yes, sir. By way of background, I'll represent to the court that Mr. Machado pled guilty and was placed on probation back on September 4th, 2018, to a charge of DWI third or more. He was placed on 7 years probation and he was ordered to perform, among other things, 100 hours of community service. And he was ordered to pay a $10,000 fine plus a $224 base criminal fee. And he was also ordered to install or to obtain a Smart Start mobile device. We are prepared to represent to the court that we have paid all the fines and the court costs, the $10,000 plus the $224. We have completed the 100 hours of community service, and we have also paid all the monthly fees up to date. In addition, Mr. Machado has attended 63 sessions of AA, Alcoholics Anonymous, and he did obtain, shortly after he was placed on probation, the Smart Start mobile device, which he has had with him for the last 5 years approximately. As part of that program, he's required to blow into this machine 3 times a day, from 5 to 8 o'clock in the morning, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., and from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. With respect to the Smart Start mobile device, Mr. Machado and I will represent to the court that he has been fully compliant and that he has never blown any positive results or numbers, meaning that he has not consumed alcohol. Otherwise, it would have been detected whenever he uses the machine. And we would ask the court to please consider modifying the terms and conditions of probation by releasing him from that requirement that requires him to use the Smart Start mobile device.
What is the state's position with regard to this request?
Your Honor, the state's not in agreement on the release. I'll remind the court that we had heard, or this case was set previously, and there were some scheduling issues with Mr. Machado being on a plane and having described his client as not in Spain, which is where he is supposed to be residing. And there were no travel permits for him to travel elsewhere. So that would be a violation of his probation. In addition, if the court would like to hear from the probation officer, my notes indicate that he had some trouble reporting. It looks like they would be able to fill in the court better than I could, but I believe that was July 2023 along with August 2023, and was instructed then to report in person when he was in town because of that. And that as recently as early this year, he was having issues with the Smart Start, given that he was traveling internationally and was told by the probation officer to switch to a different machine, which he said he, didn't want to do because it was too big. And so the photographs it was stating that the reports were skipping. And so it's because of all of these reasons, along with the initial ones of the report, that we would oppose this motion.
Okay, as you all have been talking, I did not realize this initially, but I believe I do know Mr. Machado. Mr. Machado, you are a good friend of Anthony John's, I believe. And through the family connection between the John family, I have met Mr. Machado on many occasions. I consider him a friend. I do not think I should be the person ruling on this issue because we have many mutual friends, And I have a friendship with Mr. Machado. I did not know about any of this background until today. But I think I need to not be the person to make a decision in this case. So I am going to ask that Judge Pettis will be back next week. And I think she should rule on this case rather than me. So if you all can get a setting next week, this should be reheard, but this is somebody I know and know reasonably well. So I think I should not be the person who addresses this situation at all.
Judge, thank you very much. I was unaware of that, Judge.
I was too. I did not recognize the name, and but as the discussion was proceeding and when I was hearing about his travel to Spain, I realized that is somebody that I knew. So it would be better for Judge Pettis to hear this and not for me to hear it.
Judge, the only question I asked of Mr. Machado is whether or not he was related to Manny Machado, because I don't particularly care for him. He said, no, I'm not related to him. But we'll go ahead and reset it with Judge Alisa Perez, Judge.
Okay.
I'll reset that for next week, Judge.
Yes, that'll be fine. Okay.
Miss Ortega, thank you very much.
Likewise.
I'll be in touch with you. Adios. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Do we have any others set for the morning, Mr. Morufo?
Yes, sir. Bottom of page 3. I have
Mr. Machado, you are excused. You do not need to stay on if you don't wish to. Okay. Bottom of page 3.
Yes, sir. Mr. Dennis.
Okay. Let's go ahead and call that one.
In cause number 2019-0D0-6766 and 2023-0D0-2117 and 2023-0D0-2115, State of Texas versus Victor Dennis. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Erin Delaney Matney for the state. Your Honor, the stage is ready.
Good morning, Judge. This is Natalie on behalf of Ruben Ortiz. Just to notify you, Mr. Ortiz is supposed to be signing on now. He just got out of a federal hearing. So I just gave him the link. So he should be signing on any minute now for this hearing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
We'll wait a minute or two for Mr. Ortiz.
Yes, sir.